Hello techies. Alright, today we have our task on the left pin. Let's see what the scenario is. You are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You want to modify the power and battery setting for the laptop in executive office. So in this lab, your task is to set the following default settings for power button for all existing power supply. On battery, we have to hibernate, plugged in, shut down. So alright, so all of these tasks here, we can do that through the power management. So let's right click and on the start menu and go to power options. Alright, so we are now in the power options. We'll go to additional power settings. Alright, so now in the additional power settings, let's see what we're told to do. Set the following default changes. Alright, so that will be in the what the power button does. So on battery, we are to hibernate. So this will come to hibernate. While plugged in, we are to shut down. And when I press set the computer to use a password. Alright, so this is done. Select and modify the high performance. Alright, so is there anything we need to do here? Yep, so let's go to change settings that are currently unavailable. Let's change this and change settings that are unavailable. So for this will allow us to require a password. We have to require a password. Alright, so with this we will require a password if you want to make changes to this area. Alright, so we just save these changes. And is there anything that we need to do here? Set the computer to use a password. Select modify high performance. And alright, so we have to use high performance. High performance. Alright, so let's see what else we need to do. So I guess everything we need to do here, we'll go to settings here and turn off the display after 5 minutes. So turn off the display after 5 minutes and 1 hour when plugged in. 1 hour when plugged in. What else do we need to do? Put the power to sleep 30 minutes, and when plugged in, how many? 5 hours. What else are we doing? When lid is closed. So save this first and we go to change advanced power options, and when lid is closed, so we'll go to scroll down to sleep, allow nope, not sleep, I made a mistake. This is power buttons and lid close it. So lid closed action. So what happens when the lid is closed? When the lid is closed, you have to sleep when it's on battery and do nothing when it is plugged in. So this is gonna be do nothing. Alright, is there anything we still need to do? Okay, so we apply, click OK. I guess there's nothing, but let's check our answers. Alright, so everything seems correct here, 100%. So if this video was helpful, you might want to consider sharing so that others can benefit also. Remember to like and subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.